Hey friends, family, it's Linda, RV Dweller Travels. Well, it has been a little while since I've done a video. I drove south on 95 from Quartzsite. Not even sure how far I drove out. I just saw an interesting road, so I took it. And took some drone footage, so I'll add that here as well. Let me turn you around. There's the truck. I did this little turn off. This is a neat little area. You can overnight camp here, and people have. Looks like there's a fire ring there. Hasn't been used for quite some time, but it's surrounded with some of the bushes. There are cactus plants way out there. I don't think you can see them, but none in this little particular circle. But we just had a very, very little bit of rain the other night. But in typical desert fashion, it's very, very dry. We have been experiencing little warmer nights where it's in the upper 50s for lows, so that's fine. But when you're way out here, you do still want to be mindful of rattlesnakes. I have yet to encounter one of those, and this will be my third winter here. Be fine with me if I don't. It has been cooler than the 50s at night. We've been in the 40s, so hopefully most of the reptiles are already hibernating for the winter. But as you can see, it's a beautiful day out here. This is really a very nice spot. Way down from where I am, there are campers, so it is considered BLM, Bureau of Land Management land, so people are allowed to camp out there for 14 days. Some places have a camp host and others do not. But if you want to get away from the hubbub of the busyness of the city of Quartzsite and want to be more remote, this is the area, among others, but this is one of many. Show you my truck. It has not been washed probably since September, so hopefully I'll be taking care of that soonish. I'm sorry if there's wind. There's a slight breeze, but it's really nice to see this greenery in here. I'm not going to go into the grass though. So this part is short. I will share with you some of my drone footage, and you can see it. The highest point that I think I put the drone up was at 300 feet. So you'll get quite the perspective. Come over here and see how nice and green these are. Honestly, I'm not sure what any of these bushes are. Some even have little flowers on them. Very soft and aromatic. Very, very nice. Well, I hope you're all doing well. I miss you all that are back in my home state of Minnesota. Take care. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, ring that notification bell and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Thanks, my friends. Be blessed.